Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. If you want to fix a crack on your wall, the most important thing is you must determine what is causing the crack in the first place. Well, there are three types of cracks. The first one being a hairline crack, cracks caused by water penetration, and structural cracks. Let's take a look at the difference between these different types of cracks. Hairline cracks are most commonly found on newly built or freshly plastered walls. This especially happens if there was some shrinkage in the mortar because the plaster dried too quickly. Cracks caused by water penetration. If there's moisture in a wall, it will start evaporating when it gets warmed up by the sun, and so the moisture will try to escape from the wall. It will either do so through small existing cracks, or it will push through and create new cracks as well as damp and mold. Structural cracks. These cracks are caused by structural movements and will keep occurring. Structural cracks are repaired by cutting expansion joints into the plaster, which will allow for movement. It would be in your best interest to seek the advice of a structural engineer or building professional to give recommendations on major structural issues.